Why are some people making money with KDP while others keep publishing books and see nothing happen? The difference is not talent. It's not even the book itself. It's how they structure everything around it. Because ebooks are not just products. They are tools, and when you use them correctly, they become the core of a simple funnel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine ebooks with fiction publishing to build something that actually generates income. Not by doing more, but by connecting the right pieces together. And if you want to follow along with a simple structure, I've added a free guide in the description below that breaks this down step by step. Let's simplify this. Instead of thinking in isolated steps, think in a flow. Step 1. Create a niche-specific ebook, not something random, something based on what people are already searching for. Step 2. Build a simple opt-in page. This is where most people skip the process. Instead of sending people directly to Amazon, you give them a free version first. Now you capture attention. Step 3. Add a bridge page. This is where you introduce tools or services. For example, writing tools, design tools, publishing tools. Now your ebook is not just content, it becomes a connector. Step 4. Use simple follow-up emails, nothing complex, just a few messages that guide people through the process. Now you have something most people don't have, a system that keeps working after the first click. Now let's talk about creating the ebook itself, because this is where a lot of people overcomplicate things. You don't need to write a perfect book, you need to create a useful one. Start with ChatGPT. Use it to structure ideas, break down topics, and generate outlines. Then refine it. Make it simple, make it clear, make it practical. For design, use tools like Canva or Microsoft Designer. Keep it clean, no distractions, no overload. And here's what most people miss. Your ebook is not just information. It should include simple prompts, niche ideas, basic frameworks, short explanations. Think of it as a guide, not a book people read once and forget. Now this is where everything connects. Instead of creating content and products separately, you combine them. Your videos become entry points. Each video explains one small part of your process. And inside the video, you reference your ebook. Not as a product, but as support. Want the full breakdown? Download it below. Now your audience moves naturally from content to ebook to the next step. And this does something powerful. It builds trust, because instead of just talking, you are helping people take action. Now let's talk about where the money actually comes from. Because this is where everything becomes real. First, affiliate tools. If someone needs a writing tool or a design service, you recommend it. And your ebook supports that decision. Second, the ebook itself. You can offer a free version and a paid version. Same concept, different depth. Third, upsells. Once someone understands the process, you can guide them to something bigger. Templates, systems, structured guidance. Now you're not relying on one sale. You're building multiple layers. You don't need a complex setup. You just need a few simple tools. For funnels, System.io. For email, ConvertKit. For design, Canva. For content, ChatGPT. That's enough. You don't need 10 tools. You need clarity. Let's quickly recap. You don't need more books. You need a better structure. One idea becomes an ebook. The ebook connects to a funnel. The funnel connects to content. And everything works together. If you want to see how to set this up step by step, check the free resource in the description. It breaks everything down into a simple framework you can follow. And if you want a more structured path with templates, systems, and guidance, that's exactly what I've built inside the school community. But remember this, most people focus on publishing. The real opportunity is in how you connect it.